These are the world's largest excavators that surprised the world. Mining excavators are giant machines, and the largest models in the world can weigh more than 800 t. Mining-technology.com has ranked the 10 biggest hydraulic mining excavators currently in service, based on their operating weight. Number 1. Bucyrus RH400. The Bucyrus RH400, owned by Caterpillar, is the world's biggest hydraulic excavator. It was originally launched by Terex in Germany in 1997, but Bucyrus acquired the mining equipment division of Terex in 2010. Bucyrus was acquired by Caterpillar in 2011. The Bucyrus RH400 is a front shovel excavator weighing approximately 889 t. The undercarriage width is 8.6 m and the crawler length is 10.98 m. The shovel on the excavator has the capacity to hold 45 cubic meters of rock in a single scoop. The arm crowd force and the breakout force of the shovel are up to 300 kN and 400 kN, respectively. Number 2. Hitachi EX80006. The Hitachi EX80006, launched by Hitachi Construction Machinery in 2012, is currently the second largest hydraulic excavator. It weighs 811 t and is available with both shovel and backhoe attachments. The first Hitachi EX8000-6 ultra-large backhoe excavator was delivered to Stanwell's Meanda coal mine in Australia in September 2013. The hydraulic excavator has a 9.9 m high cab, is 10.5 m long, with an 8.65 m wide undercarriage, and a maximum digging reach of 20.5 m. The excavator has a bucket capacity of 45 cubic meters and a shovel capacity of 40 cubic meters that can remove 75 t of in a single load. The crowding and breakout force of the shovel are 870 kN and 230 kN, respectively. Number 3. Bucyrus RH340/RH340B. The 10th largest excavator operating in the world is the Bucyrus RH340/RH340B. The machine weighs in at 498 t and is available for both shovel loading and backhoe operations. The crawler length is 9.23 m and the undercarriage width is 7 m. The Bucyrus RH340/RH340B has a shovel and backhoe bucket capacity of 34 cubic meters. The crowding force and breakout forces of the shovel are 240 kN and 640 kN, respectively. The tear-out and breakout forces of the excavator during backhoe operation are 270 kN and 240 kN, respectively.